Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 RX. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, backup monitor, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Only the best pre-owned Lexus vehicles qualify for the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program. Warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection provide you total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection. We have great people. We value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.